Welcome back to part 2 of the MagPro v.4 tutorial series. In this video, we will dive deep into the system settings menu. We'll show you how to fine-tune your sensor sensitivity, configure your layout dimensions, and optimize your device for maximum efficiency in the field. Let's get started. First up is the audio and alert switch. Enabling this allows the system to provide real-time audio feedback whenever a magnetic anomaly is detected. This switch functions directly in sync with the audio alert threshold seek bar below it. By adjusting this seek bar, you can define the exact micro-Tesla range where you want the audio alerts to trigger, helping you filter out background noise in the field. Now, let's look at the most critical configuration, sensor sensitivity. When the auto gain optimization switch is enabled, the two seek bars below it are deactivated, and the system automatically calibrates the sensor sensitivity. While this provides great convenience for quick, automated scans, it is highly recommended to use the manual adjustment for high-precision field mapping. By disabling auto mode, you unlock the gain multiplier seek bars, which act as coarse and fine-tuning controls. Since sensor quality and data rates vary across different devices, these manual sliders are essential for finding the absolute finest baseline and achieving maximum sensitivity for your specific hardware. Under the Measurement and Record Mode section, you can first choose between manual and auto scanning modes. In auto mode, the system captures one data sample per second automatically. You can check the auto save box to automatically store your scan as a CSV file. Below, you will find input fields to define your grid dimensions and total station counts. Finally, this section allows you to precisely input your step size and sensor height to ensure accurate spatial calculations during field mapping. Next, we have the Precision Logger mode. Enabling this switch shifts the system from step-based grid scanning to continuous, time-based data recording. Right below the switch, you can use the seek bar to precisely define your sampling rate, determining exactly how many data packets the system logs per second. Keep in mind that the sampling rate you configure here will apply exclusively when operating in the logger mode. Finally, we have the Hardware Specifications section. This dedicated panel allows you to view the real-time technical specifications and manufacturer details of the built-in sensor inside your device, ensuring full transparency and hardware compatibility before you begin mapping. Settings optimized, we are ready for the field. Subscribe to our channel so you don't miss part 3, where we complete the hardware connection and run our first live scan. See you there.